And welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, hi, I'm Lauren. I don't know how you found me, but please definitely stay. So we are going to Chatham today, so I'll be bringing you guys along with me. Obviously I'm going with my sister. We will be going to TK Maxx, Primark, Poundland, I think it's called either Poundland or Pound Stretcher. Then obviously go and have a look at the forum, and then make our way to the range, go into beauty outlet. So I'll be bringing you guys along with me along the way. Just a quick update for you guys. Now things might be changing. I've got videos that was meant to be for next year but might have to move. We have got my brother-in-law staying with us, which is Nathan's brother. Him staying with us, so we've had to move all the stuff out the spare room. All my boxes are all in there. I don't know where it's all gonna go. I think because if you guys would have remembered, we've got this like square bit in the spare room where all my boxes are staying. Might just stay where they are. If not, then they'll have to go up in the loft. But they are so heavy and there's so many of them. I was meant to be doing some organisation videos for in the new year. We don't know how long he's going to stay for. We don't know what's going to happen, but we just plan it by here. But yeah, I've got my brother-in-law staying with us, and yeah, so all my stuff's been moved here, there and everywhere. All of my boxes probably got to go up in the loft. One of them is really heavy, which is full of makeup. That it was a pain to organise because I had to take half of it out for me to lift it up onto the square bit, and then popped all my makeup back in. All my candles in one box. So yeah, I've got so much stuff. We've had to try and put as much stuff in the bedroom as possible. Got the wedding stuff in the bedroom, all the drinks for Christmas, all the snacks, they're all in our bedroom. My wardrobe is literally chock-a-block of stuff. And also quickly, there was meant to be doing a Christmas Temu haul, but because of the situation now, I can't have too much stuff, so I might just turn it into a mini Temu haul. Sorry about that, someone's just getting into the car, but yeah, it might be just a mini Temu haul instead of a Christmas haul. But yeah, like I said, with things going on at the moment, it is going to be a bit hectic, so just please bear with me. I've got so much going on. The wedding content is still going ahead, but everything else is kind of on pause at the moment until we know what's going on. But other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Just in Greg's, having sex away. I've already had a wrap, but just thought I'd have a quick bacon and cheese turnover. Got a cup of tea. Lisa's got hot chocolate and Swiss roll. And then after this, we're going to do a bit of shopping. Best aisle in TK Maxx. We've got all these lovely candles. I don't know whether I'm going to bring any home today.
Oh, it smells so nice.
What's that one? Oh my god, that one actually smells incredible. But if I do bring some home, you guys will see in the video anyway. This is actually a candle, and then once you're done with the candle, it can be a nice little ornament for Christmas. Oh, they're well cute, look at them.
And then you've got pasta.
Since when does pasta come into Christmas part? This is what Lisa was just saying, you got Christmas and then you got pasta. Hello.
She's gonna love it.
To say, look what we found. And casually Lisa's winding up her new mother-in-law with these gonks. Yeah. Okay, so TK Maxx done and dusted, but we didn't get really anything in there. So now it's heading to Primark. See what damage we can do in here. Loads of Christmas Disney stuff, which is actually quite cute. Loads of trousers, comfy tops. Look, you can have like something like that with maybe like a pair of bottoms or something. Anyone that loves, what's it called? Cat in the Hat. They've got thing one outfits in Primark. Loads of different bath bombs. Little festive ones. Cute little dishes. Now this is where I'm probably going to do a bit of damage in the Grinch section. I'll probably come home with a pair of pyjamas, as always. Anyone who is a lover of Stitch, they've got loads of stuff of Stitch in Primark. Cups, tumblers, toys, loads of stuff. So just popped to Costa's. I've got a Black Forest hot chocolate. I have this every time I come in Costa's. It is really, really nice. That tray is not nice, by the way. So we just come in to a quick drink before a little bit more shopping. Heading into the dockside now. Favourite shop in the world. The outlet is the best ones if you want like dupes of perfumes of your favourite brands as well. And they have deals on, reasonably cheap. Bit of damage so far. I love this shop. Now we're heading into the range. Can't blew me away. Gotta do the most damage in there, I know it.
Will you stop doing this to me?
Sorry. She blames me. Apparently I'm the one that keeps telling her to buy stuff when I don't.
No, they've got it wrong. Right, Mr. Claus and Mrs. Claus, it should have.
Yeah. They actually look quite cute though. Imagine these sitting on the bottom of your fireplaces. It's so cute. Yeah. Oh my god, that is so cute. There's no place like home. Every year me and Lisa gets a new Christmas bauble for our tree. So obviously mine's white and silver. So I've got loads of white and silver options this year. Looks really, really Christmassy here now. Got all the festive lights. It's up to you. Got got loads of tinsel in the range as well. So loads of different colours. So you can choose which one you want. Got all these funky little ornaments you can put on your tree. And then you've got like a bell wreath as well. Still haven't got much. On the bus, on the way to the train station. You guys probably won't be able to see me. It is literally 5 o'clock and it's so dark already. So I'm actually currently on my way home now. Sorry, I'm so sorry if you can't see me. Oh, it has been a nightmare today. Trying to film everything while a lot of people was like shopping for Christmas. So I'm so sorry if the video is short, and I hope I did a good job. I hope I tried to film, but I tried to get as much as I could. But yeah, it's been hectic. But yeah, I didn't actually get that much. Whatever I did get, obviously I will do a haul so you guys can see. But it wasn't that much, to be fair. The range, it weren't that good this year. Literally, I don't know if you can see, but I've got the smallest bag from the range. And only a couple of bits in, maybe just more food than anything. But I will show you what I got nevertheless. So guys, if you have enjoyed today's video, give it a like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.